So hungry.
Same.
What do you think we should eat? Hey, Techno, do you have anything we should eat? Well, how about you two cook some macaroni? That's actually not a bad idea.
I mean, we could.
Yeah, we should cook some macaroni.
Alright.
Let's go do it. Hello, everybody. I'm TreyMaster327.
The man who makes mac and cheese wrong.
That's... What? Man, I make him absolutely right. I don't know
I
about
don't know
you.
about that one.
Well, I'm with Toy. This is gonna...
The one who makes it actually right.
We'll see. We'll do it his way. And we're actually going to be making macaroni, but us two.
I may not troll. Maybe a little. I never know.
Anyway, so this is actually a special video. A special macaroni will be made for this video. Toy has no idea what it looks like, too.
Should I be concerned?
Perhaps. On the internet it is.
Oh dear God.
Here, you know what? Here. Alright, so I got the things ready. So this video is a bit of a twist. You see, we got these two macaronis. Now, can you tell me what's wrong about this here?
It looks fine.
Well, you see, we're doing a bit of a mix-up here. We're mixing two types of macaronis because my mom insisted. You get this one. No. Yes, we are, sir.
No, not Baby Shark.
This is literally its own macaroni. How are we supposed? What are we supposed to do about this?
I'm leaving. Goodbye.
No, you stay right here, sir. You stay right here. Also, Toy said at one point, Toy said when I got 200 subscribers, I would have cooked some macaroni, but the Flaming Hot Cheetos won.
And you have how many now?
300.
And you said 200, right?
Yes, I said at 200 I would do it.
Did you do it?
No. I reviewed a 20 pack. But
you lied to your friend.
another popular thing I've been doing is making macaroni, and we're gonna have to mix these two up. Let's just get this out the way so we don't have to deal with this anymore.
Please.
Let's just get on to the cooking. Now, the first thing you need for macaroni is you need a bowl or some kind of pan or pot.
Got it.
Wow, that was quick. And then you need to fill that up with water.
I don't got that.
Well, luckily we got this right here.
Fill it up, please.
That was okay. We might need a bit more of that.
On the stove.
Also, remember, this is, and also before any of you get concerned, this is water that I put in a drink. Like nobody drank out of this. So
I did.
Yeah, he likes to do that a lot. Anyway, nobody drank out of this, so we can just do that. It wasn't. No way. I've done this for like 3 years. Anyway, so basically, next thing what you got to do is you got to turn up your stove to high. There it is, and we have to wait until the water to boil. He's Ghost Man. Whoa. He's still there. He's right there. Oh, where'd he go? He's invisible. He's totally not right there. Wow.
They can't even see it.
Oh. We just do a photo pose. Oh, let's pose on the sky. Oh yeah. Oh, you want to fight back, huh? On your lunch break, Squirry? What the hell was that? You just hold your nose. You just went.